Bukay sa kanla.
Siya lang may iba.
Smile!
Kasi kailangan na. Go, kamay na sa kamay.
Ay, wala rin ko sa pagkamay.
My name Maria, Maika, Monica, Maki, Maxine, Nina, may tatlong bagay dito sa mundo ang hindi may itatago, ang buwan at araw. At ang mabawang utot ng number 2. Buenos días, Oji Diaz, Ito Diaz, Chocomuco. My name Maria, Maika, Monica, Maki, Maxine, Nina, may tatlong bagay dito sa mundo ang hindi may itatago, ang buwan at araw. At ang mabawang utot ng number 2.
Ang dami kasabihan na.
Mabait ka mo.
Bawat tagumpay mo, may naiinis na kapitbahay mo. Thank you.
Good evening, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. My name, Joanna Salcedo, Nia Kamsin. Presenting from the Wadney City. Nag-iiwang katagang, pag may laban-laban, kahit mukha kang kalaban, laban naman! Thank you!
My name is Ana Marie Olaya representing. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, pangit ka man sa inyong paningin, sa tingin ko, tama nga naman sila. Thank you.
Good evening, each and everyone. My name is Catureo Negre. Number 4 stunner na nag-iiwan ng salita. Ayaw cool, bata pa cool, pero yung number 2 mukhang angkol!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is Banalawi Ronda. Ang maging mapalagatagan, mahirap maging maganda kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Mahirap maging babae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Mahirap maging lalaki kung hindi ka tunay na babae, lalaki. Mahirap maging tomboy kung kailangan ka, hindi. Tomboy!
Marhaba! kasabihan. Pangit man ako sa inyong patingin, meron mas pangit sa akin.
Angela!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Adriana Allen Sandoval, 25, representing Alcalids. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan, sa ganitong patimpala, may negrang tatata.
Sa labas ng game. Ayan.
Okay. Ang gaganda nyo. Yan. From Municia, Dawadli, Olea,
Jeddah.
Rauda, Alcalig. Ayan. Ang gaganda. Palakpakan muna natin sila. Ayan.
Effort to effort.
Ayan.
So,
We will be giving the first sets of award. Imran?
alright, our darling of the crowd. Our darling of the crowd, candidate number. Our darling of the crowd, candidate number 1.
Miss Maxine Makiridina.
Agree ba? Thank you, candidate number 1. Our Miss Congeniality. Our Miss Congeniality. Candidate number
5.
Candidate number 2.
Hadamia Kamsin from the Wadri.
Alam mo naman na mabait to. Kahit anong iutos mo.
Next award.
Alright, our next award will receive sash. First sash. Our Miss Close-Up Smile. Sabihin nyo, sino yung may magandang smile? Miss Close-Up Smile goes to candidate number 4. Miss Close-Up Smile.
Miss Jamila. Okay. Rauda. Okay ladies, congratulations sa mga nakuha ng awards. You may exit the stage now. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now, we call on Mr. Watch Davigo for giving us the rock and roll upbeat music.
Mr. Watch.
Thank you, Captain.
Ano pa kayo dyan?
number 3, candidate
Candidate number 4.
number 4, Miss Catriona Green from Ishmaelia.
Candidate number 4. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 7.
Defending Al-Khalid.
Once again, the third.
Alright? Kahit mga taglamig, pangamang init-init dito sa Riyadh. Agree ba kayo?
Okay, we'll be giving the second set of awards. Right?
Alright, our second set of award. Best in production number.
That's
Sa tingin nyo, sino ang magaling tumiling kanina? Alright, our best in production number, no other than candidate number 7 from Al-Khalid.
The next award,
For next award, we will receive the sash of Miss Personality. Our Miss Personality, no other than candidate number 5.
candidate number 5, Miss Ivana Agawi, Mutaki. The next award, Kabukera of the Night.
our Caballera of the night. Sa tingin nyo, sino ulit?
Sino?
Ang Caballera of the night?
Sino?
4, 8, wala tayong 8.
Wala kang eight. Nag-back out.
Alright, our Caballera of the night. No other than candidate number 6. Magdada, Camila Mateo. Right, ladies, thank you so much for your beautiful winter attire.
We will see you in the next
We'll see
round.
you
Thank you,
next
ladies. Ladies, in the stage. Music, please.
Let's see the lady.
Doesn't matter how long it's been, I know you'll always jump in, 'cause we don't know how to quit. Let's start a riot tonight, like a lion tonight. In this world, he's got, won't get anything he wants. Play like the top 1% to nothing.
Wow! Ang ganda. Parang mali.
We are the champions, stand it all together.
Candidate number 2.
Halagang scene. Oh, maganda.
Miss Joanna Way. Harash Couture.
Epic scene. Dikadura sa Mobile Legend.
Candidate number 3.
Lahat sa mga Miss International nyo, parang nandito lang sa mga Universe. Highly favorite.
Candidate number 4.
And nothing's gonna be the same.
Candidate number 5.
Oh, if there's one thing to be taught, these dreams are made to be caught, and things can never be bought. Doesn't matter how long it's been, I know you'll
Candidate.
lions tonight. Yeah, we all fight like that.
Hey, number 7.
Kind of love that we give. Whoever sits the door of mankind, we all belong to a tribe. It's good to know this one's mine. Just call a riot tonight, a pack of lions tonight. In this world, he stops, won't get everything he wants. They like the top 1%, so nothing's left to despair. We don't care, we don't stop calling brothers, calling
Once again, the 7 Nordic Dancing.
Anna Marie. Candidate number 4, Giola Ray. Candidate number 5, Miss Ivana Ilawi. Candidate number 6, Miss Jovia Mateo. And candidate number 7, Adriana Alonso Gomao. Ayan, ang gaganda ng candidates natin.
Para sa mga manika, no?
Mukhang mamahalin na manika.
Ipapasok na natin sa box. Kung kapadala sa Pilipinas.
Ano ba yung latest kayo na mahal na manika?
Mga nabubo! Nabubo! Ang bigil!
Ayun.
Ayan!
Joke lang.
Joke lang. Siyempre, we're very thankful sa inyo lahat. So, 7 natin kandidata kayo. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Okay. So now we will proceed for the third set of awards.
Our supermodel of tonight is no other than candidate number 6, Miss Rabia Mateo from Jeddah. Our supermodel of tonight. Diba lahat? Pwede na itong inano pwede na isa.
Pwede na siya dapat sa Miss, International Queen, Philippines.
I know you'll always win, 'cause we don't know how to quit. Let's start a riot.
Kasi hindi na dapat ako mga organizer. Kasi di namin akalain. Igaganda pa pala yung aking mga candidates na to.
Kaya ka na busy. Thank you, number 6.
Our next award for our Miss Aura of tonight.
Miss Aura of the night.
Sa tingin nyo, anong kulay ng gown ang Miss Aura of tonight natin?
Okay, dalawang pula.
Meron tayong gold, black, red, purple one, and then white hair. Alright? Our Miss Aura of tonight is no other than candidate number 7
Number 7.
of tonight, Miss Adriana.
Kind of love that we give. Whoever sits the door of mankind, we don't
Our next award will receive a gift pack from Triel Boutique. Alright?
May we call Miss Sandra the owner of 3F Boutique.
The CEO
Madam.
of Miss of Triel Boutique. So kung gusto nyo ng mukhang bags at saka
Kapabudol, ito ang ating mga seller. Ayan, namimigay ka ng cash.
ingat lang kayo ha.
Okay.
Bawal ang social minors. Alright, award. Triel Boutique Award is no other than candidate number 3.
Number 3, Miss Pinky of Korea.
Sana ba?
You
Our next award, who will receive a gift pack from Manisan Online Shop. Our Manisan Online Shop, tourism is so African. Manisan Online Shop, candidate number 2, Dr. Rocky.
Okay, let's proceed to the Q&A portion. Ito yung pinakahintay natin, yung tanong-sagot. Ayan. So, let's proceed to Q&A, Imran.
Alright. Ready na ba sa Q&A? And of course, ito Q&A. Isa sa mga, ayan, isa sa mga kinakabahan ng ating,
Ready na ba kayo?
kahit kami sumasali kami sa mga pageant gano'n, ito yung stage na nakakabahan.
Alam niya ng ating Mr. Universe at Mr. Sambuanga, di ba, sir?
So, I think pwede natin tanungin si Mr. Albi
Oh.
kung ano yung experience niya sa Q&A.
Thank you for wonderful questions.
Hashtag ugali.
Okay. Let's go, Maki.
Ang kayamanan natin dito sa mundo, hindi lang pera. Bagos ito ay ang pakikisama, kabaitan, kagandahan ng ugali, at lalo sa kalooban.
Good.
Tandaan natin, walang mahirap, walang mayaman. Pantay-pantay tayo kumakain ng bigas. Pantay-pantay tayo at susunod sa kabilang buhay. Kaya dapat natin magpakabait sa kapwa natin. And I thank you. Ikaw si candidate number 2, para siyang regalo.
Okay, candidate number 2.
Ayaw yung buksan.
Pick your judge.
Alright, thank you. Ito nag-open para sa akin. Salamat. So, candidate number 2. I know that candidate number 2 is from Duwani. So, kamusta naman po yung travel nyo? Duwani to Riyadh.
Ayos lang. Okay lang na.
Ayos na. Let's stay bukas pa rin. Ayan. Candidate number 2, you pick judge number 5, Mr. Watch Davido.
Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm fine.
Good. Basta, always remember, there's no right or wrong. It's just a matter of conviction. Okay? Your question falls under the hashtag pagtulong, or in English, hashtag helping.
English.
Ang pagtulong, depende sa isang tao. Tulong man ito kasama ang pagmamahal. Pagmamahal, nagbibigay na walang kapalit. Kung gusto mo tumulong, bugal sa loob ng puso mo. Wala man sino man bibigay sa iyo kung ano man nun, kundi ang sarili mo, para ibigay mo sa kanila. Huwag kang humingi ng kapalit. Dahil tapos, bibigyan ka ng Lord ng kapalit mula sa pagtulong. And I thank you.
Oh, very nice answer. Thank you, candidate number 2.
Kamusta naman?
I'm doing well.
Doing well.
Okay, pick your judge.
Gusto mo ba English yung tanong? Kamusta ka? Parang ang lalim ng ano niya, ng hininga niya. Parang pagod na to. Alright? You pick judge number 1, Mr. Alvin Sayo.
Hello, candidate number 3. How you feeling tonight?
I'm good.
You look so stunning tonight. So here's your hashtag. Your hashtag is #pakikisama. In English, #companionship.
Thank you so much for a wonderful question. Ang pakikisama sa kaibigan man o sa mga bago natin makisalamuha, dapat tayo marunong makisalamuha sa mga kapwa natin. Yun po ang importante at alam natin ang pakikisalamuha sa kapwa natin. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Candidate number 4.
Ang ganda naman ng number 4. Mukhang manika. May karayong ba kayo dyan?
Ayan. So, candidate number 4, pick your judge.
Thank you, candidate number 4. You look so gorgeous. Agree ba kayo? Alright? May gusto ka bang pasalamatan? Yan. Kasi ang ganda mo ngayon. Basta huwag kang mabasa, di ba?
I would like to take this opportunity, Emran and Marisa. Thank you so much. Happy birthday and Happy New Year. And also my makeup artist, who is here now.
Yes, thank you sa mga makeup artists natin dyan. Ayan.
And also the judges came here.
Gumanda sila. Mamaya ewan ko na.
Yan. So,
Okay, Eric number 4, pick your judge. Ay, gusto pala. Sorry.
alright. Your judge is Mr. Marlon Vicente.
Candidate number 4. Yung lumalati na ang aura natin.
Yes!
Agree?
Yes!
And you are Catriona Gray.
Yes!
From Slam. Sorry.
Anyway, this is your hashtag. Your hashtag is how we call ourselves here in Saudi Arabia. It's OFW.
We know that we are OFW, the new hero, the bayani ng bansang Pilipinas, at napakahirap po sa atin na malayo sa ating pamilya. Tangkat ang lungkot at hirap ng mga trabaho, pero kinakaya natin dahil binibigyan natin ng magandang buhay ang ating mga pamilya back home. And thank you!
Miss Ivana Alawi, Mahati. Pick your judge.
Miss Ivana, kamusta na?
Napakaganda mo ngayon.
Ibang-ibang ka na talaga. May gusto ka bang pasalamatan or...
Salamat sa mga gadget at mga content ngayon.
Alright. You pick judge. Oh, you pick judge number 5, Mr. Watch Davido.
Good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening po.
How are you feeling? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, so without further ado, here's your question. It is a #pangarap or in English, #ambition.
Bilang isang OFW naman tayo, gusto natin mangarap na maganda ang buhay, lalo-lalo na sa mga pamilya natin. Dito tayo sa Saudi, kailangan natin magsikap, magtrabaho ng maayos. Kung may pera, itulong natin sa pamilya natin. Kung may pera naman tayong saving para bili natin ng mga sa Pilipinas mga investment. Wala man tayong trabaho, ako ay naman Pilipinas, pwede natin naman yun ibenta para sa panibagong negosyo. And thank you.
Ang ganda-ganda talaga niya. Ano?
Parang Parang hindi galing gym na to. Diba?
Nagbiyahe pa ito ng 12 hours pa?
12 hours.
12 hours.
12 hours, takbo lang yun, takbo lang.
Ayan. So, meron number 6.
Okay, maybe your...
Pick your choice.
Alright. Kamusta ka?
I'm good. Hindi naman. Confident. I try my best.
Yan ang Miss Manisan, confident. Alright. You pick judge number 2, Miss Blue.
Hello. Pero candidate number 6, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Perfect. I see your all performance very nice, confident, and beautiful. Same like me. I see you I My hashtag is breadwinner. Yung Tagalog, taga-tuguyod ba yun?
Taga-pagtaguyod.
Ang usok, ikaw yung simonod biya amang ulan nila. Okay na. Go.
Breadwinner. Ako po ay 7 po kami magkakapatid. Ako po ang bunso. Lahat sila, 3 babae, 4 lalaki sa manukod ko. So akong bunso, lahat sila may asawa na. Ako, ayoko pa mag-asawa. Bakit? Dahil unang-una po, ayaw ko ang nanay at tatay ko. Ayaw ko po mag-asawa muna. Bakit? Ang nanay, importante. Tatay, importante. Bakit? Kung wala sila, wala ako dito. Ako po ang breadwinner sa amin. Kapatid ko, lahat sila, mga anak nila, ako ang nagpapaaral, ako po ang mga anak ng kapatid ko, ako po ang magsusuporta at nag-aaral na. Ayun po. Kung meron ako, bakit naman hindi ko i-share sa kanila? Ang pamilya importante sa atin. Thank you po.
Candidate number 7, alam na, dapat umiyak ka rin, ha?
Ayan. So, Mr. Martin.
Alright, our last judge is no other than Mr. Maclon Varias, number 7.
Hello po.
You look gorgeous tonight.
Thank you.
So, masali ka ba dati sa mga fashion?
It was before.
It was before that I can see. Siguro in the future, I wanted to see your beauty shine more. Mag-smile ka rin yung mag-smile ha. I want to see your beauty on the stage smiling. That would attract not only the judges, but the audience as well. However, you look so pretty tonight. So this will be your hashtag. The final question of the night is Makajos. Or in English, is it God-fearing? Yes, so that will be the hashtag Makajos or God-fearing.
Thank you for the wonderful question. Makajos. If you talk about Makajos is lahat tayo ay nagpe-praise sa Lord. Lahat tayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong niya. Hindi lang. We are not created by God. So that we need help by God to survive the challenges that we have, that we all face.
Alright, thank you.
Ayan.
Alright, siya po yung reigning queen natin, Manisa 2022. Biruin nyo ilang years bago nasunod. Ayan. Kasi walang budget. Wala ba? Joke lang. So, Miss Shakira, Big Shally. Ayan. As Manisa Queen, ano yung experience at saka ano yung maipapayo mo sa ating mga candidates vying for Manisa 2024? Any advice?
Assalamualaikum and good evening. Ang may papayo ko sa Manisan, sa susunod na with Manisan, be humble. At saka, nagpapasalamat ako sa Manisan like Imra Chua and Elvin J. Hawani sa pagbibigay sa amin ng pakikipala, lalo-lalo na sa galing ito. Ako po si Shakira Betty Al-Sakali, the reigning Miss Manisan 21 is all.
Thank you so much. We're so proud of you, Miss Shakira Bishari. Maraming salamat.
Kung meron, PBB is always a BBB. Meron naman, Manisa is always Manisa.
Ayan. So, we'll have
The Miss Manisa 2024 goes to candidate number candidate number